I'm going to call the ad hoc committee for the superintendent search to order. We are at central office. It is February 6th, and it is 5:40. We're a little late. I'll call the roll. Mrs. Oden is here. Dr. Moritaki?
Here.
Ms. Van Twyver?
Here.
Mr. Hollowell? Anybody know if Mr. Hollowell is going to be here?
I think he's running a little late.
Okay.
Traffic problems.
Mr. Mosher?
Here.
Mr. Zine?
Here.
Ms. Hohensie?
Here.
Mr. Kaufman?
Here.
And Mr. Farrington?
Here.
And we have Ms. O'Gara here. Yes. Okay. First on the agenda, if you could go over for the committee and for the public, those people who are on the first interview team.
Sure.
Thank you.
I'm going to go right down the line. The central office administrator is Dan Donovan. The NTU union member is Adam Marcoux. The secondary principal is Marianne Bastide. The elementary principal is Kelly Parody. The student is Grace Tomaselli. The CTE director is Marianne Dustin. The chamber member, who is a business owner, Nashua resident with school children, is Cecilia Ulabari. She is, she's the co-founder and owner of a nonprofit called Positive Street Art, and she has 2 children in the school district. The business owner in Nashua resident, who also has school children in the district, is John Koutzis, who is the owner of Alex Shoes. He's graciously accepted. Dottie Oden, Dana O'Gara. The elementary teacher is Kathy Kerwin. She also happens to be the head library media specialist. And the secondary teacher is Patty Powers. The PTO representative is Amy Taft. So, okay. The only one that we're missing is the alderman.
Alderman, I didn't hear anything.
I'll check, but I haven't heard anything.
Okay, I hadn't heard anything before I left.
Oh, and I did miss the mayor's office. Kim Kleiner will be joining us.
Oh. Mrs. Z?
And just to reaffirm, the members can come and listen?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, they will be observers.
And is that
They
this
want to
week?
come.
So we have one interview on Thursday
At what time?
at 4:30. Everybody should come at 4. And the second, and then the other interviews are on Friday morning between 9 and noon time early.
Mr. Farrington?
Can we say how many people?
Excuse me, I'm sorry, just a minute,
I'm
just a minute. Mr. Farrington?
How many board members are you going to have there? You're going to have a meeting? You're going to have a quorum?
How many intend on being there Thursday afternoon?
What time?
It'll be, we're asking the committee to be there at 4. The candidate will be at 4:30.
Can't be there. I won't be
So
there.
how many would be able to make it on Thursday? 1, 2, and I would be there, that's
You
3.
previously told us that we're going to be on Friday, so I made commitments and schedule arrangements
Well,
to accommodate that, so.
sorry, when we contacted this one particular candidate could not make it on Friday. Sorry. How many can make it on Friday morning? Or want to be there Friday? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll have to post that. We'll have to post Friday.
5, right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
Okay. Now, did anybody bring any questions tonight that they had looked at? What I did, I went through some, and Ms. O'Gara did the same thing. We went through some past questions and looked at some and tried to,
That's me, I'm sorry.
now they hung up, you got it. Tried to combine some, and we wanted to make sure that we incorporated questions that were the result of the survey, what people were looking for in the survey, that was addressed through the questions. The thing is, if we're going to get into reading questions, we're going to have to go into non-public because we don't want to have the questions out in public at this time. So,
So does that mean you don't want to discuss what we think is not on here?
oh, okay, I think we are gonna have to go into non-public.
You want to do it at the end?
No, I think because that's the bulk of this meeting, of the questions, so.
I'm thinking about the cameraman, if that's the bulk of the question, then
That's-
maybe we should do everything else and then let him go.
That's the bulk of the meeting, so I think once we go into non-public and then when we come out, we will just adjourn. I know you have a meeting, do you have a meeting at 6:30 or is that,
You all?
is that, is, you don't need the cameraman
Everybody.
for that, do you?
Oh, no.
Okay. Okay, so I'm looking for a motion to go into non-public.
So moved.
Second.
I think it would be under RSA 91A 3-2B. Anybody see a problem with that as the,
Is that a roll call vote?
yes, it's gonna have to be a roll. It's the hiring of any person as a public employee. I'm looking
Second.
for a second.
Ms. Van Twyver,
Ms.
seconded.
Van Twyver.
It's all right. Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Okay,
Well, some of us have
we
missed.
need a
Some of us have missed it.
Yes, thank you.
non-public. Oh, are you taking, here, I'll give you the book. Are you writing this
Yeah,
down?
I'll write it
Oh,
down.
okay,
I'll write
then-
it in there.
I'm sorry, you can have the book. Thank you, I appreciate that.
You can run for school board when you retire, Dana? You know how to keep the book?
Mrs. Mrs. Oden, yes?
You have
Still
you have the
recording?
order.
We have
It's
to
in the book.
record the vote.
Yeah.
Oh.
You have to
sorry.
call the roll.
See, I'm not very good at it. Ms. Oden?
Yes.
Dr. Maritaki?
Yes.
Ms. Van Twyver?
Yes.
Mr. Hollowell, not here. Mr. Mosier?
Yes.
Mrs. Zine?
She stepped out.
Okay. Ms. Hohensie?
Yes.
Mr. Kaufman?
Yes.
Mr. Farrington?
Yes.
Okay.
So,
We'll be going into non-public session and we will adjourn when we come out. There will be no votes taken.